Hello everyone. Today I'm in my farm to show you people. These are the zucchini plants. Zucchini plants and flowers. These are the flowers. These flowers, I will use it also to cook, to make flower stuff, zucchini flower stuff to cook. These are the zucchini plants, very beautiful. This one is already open, so I will collect this one today to go and cook. See it. To go and cook, prepare zucchini fried or stuffed. Then this is the farm. Very organic, biological plants. No insecticides, no pesticides. Very beautiful. These are the zucchini flowers. I collect some to cook the zucchini plants, to cook food. Today is very sunny weather, beautiful weather. With the flowers. See their flower, very beautiful flowers. We use it to cook food. These are the eggplants and the pepperonis. When they will be ready, I will come and collect them and make a new food to watch and see. Now I'm going to another place of the food, of the plants, because my farm is up and down. It's a little bit in the hills, so I have to make the climbing before to get them. They are not a level land. It's on the hill that there's no smog to reach there. That's why the food here is organic and clean and neat, botanic, no pesticides. These are potatoes. See, these are my potatoes. When they will be ready, I will harvest them and show how to cook. Many ways of cooking potatoes, zucchinis, and their flowers. This is the farm.